Hello guys, and welcome to the 9th video of the HTML tutorial series. In this video we're going to talk about comments inside our code. This is probably going to be the smallest ever tutorial video. So what are comments? Whatever we write in here is going to be displayed inside the browser. For example, let's say under the heading 4 that I get some text like this is where the actual content begins. If I save it and refresh, of course it's going to be displayed as plain text, as a paragraph. But what if I do not want this piece of text to be displayed? I only want it to help me or some other programmer code. Well, there's an option like in every language to mark it out as a comment. In HTML, the syntax followed is this: open bracket, exclamation mark, double hyphen, and it ends in double hyphen and closing bracket. Now if I save and refresh, I cannot see this. And in order to properly understand this, let's pick this blue right here, this blue fella. Add some page breaks, some line breaks actually, sorry, and copy this maybe a couple times. Alright, the first one, this text is blue, number 1. I'm going to number them so that we can tell which one is which. Alright, number 1 is not marked out at all. Actually, I'm going to do 4. I'm going to leave this as it is. This one, I'm going to comment out the word text and save. This one, I'm going to comment it out completely. And this one, I'm going to comment out completely, but I'm not going to use separate comment brackets. I'm going to use the ones that it already has. So let's see what happens. I'm going to save, I'm going to refresh. And let's see what happened. So the number 1 is fully visible, as it should be. We have not changed anything. When it comes to the second one, you can see that a word is missing. And which is that word? It is the word text, which we marked out as a comment. So in HTML, you can mark up comments by following this very syntax. Okay, so in order to comment out an entire line, you can either use separate brackets with exclamation mark and hyphens, or you can use the already existing brackets and add exclamation mark and hyphens with just hyphens in the end. Now, what if I wanted to exclude a whole paragraph, let's say, or all these 3, alright? 1, 2, 3. What I have to do is the exact same thing, but mark everything up. If I save and refresh, everything is gone. Okay? So if I want to mark out only a word, I do this, right? If I want to do an entire line, I can either use separate brackets with hyphens and an exclamation mark, or use the existing brackets and only add an exclamation mark and hyphens. So I want to do a whole paragraph, then I have to what's a proper verb, like hug, but no, hug cannot be used. Yeah, I have to start above the paragraph and end in the beginning of the paragraph. I can also do this, the same thing, and it will work. If I delete this, it still works. Save, and no difference. Alright? So, that was pretty much it, guys, about comments. Small video. So thank you so much for watching, and in the next video we're going to talk a little bit about colors. Alright? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome videos, and see you in the next one.